Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to host a Zoom meeting using the Zoom app on your desktop or mobile device. First, open your Zoom app. If you're not signed in yet, tap Sign In. Enter your details, and you'll see the main dashboard with options like New Meeting, Join, Schedule, and Share Screen. Click New Meeting. If you want your camera on, toggle on Start with Video. Then tap Start a Meeting. Your meeting will open right away. Once inside, tap Join with computer audio on desktop or call via device audio on mobile so others can hear you. To invite people, tap Participants, then Invite. You can copy the meeting link and send it through WhatsApp or email, or invite directly from your contacts. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the main controls. Use Mute to silence your microphone, and Start or Stop Video to control your camera. Click Share Screen to present your slides, browser, or anything on your display. Tap Participants to see who's joined, and Chat to message individuals or everyone in the meeting. If you need more options, click More to find security, reactions, or other settings. When you're done presenting, tap Stop Share to return to the main view. To end your meeting, tap End in the bottom right corner and select End Meeting for All to close it for everyone. From the home screen, you can also schedule a meeting for later. Tap Schedule. Set your topic, date, and time, then tap Save. Zoom will give you the meeting link to share right away. And that's it! You've now learned how to host a Zoom meeting directly from the app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick app tutorials.